One broken lens, one accident on set, or one unhappy client can cost you thousands. But protecting your photography business, that only takes 10 minutes with Next Insurance. Think about it. General liability protects you if something happens on a shoot, like damaging a venue or if someone trips over your light stand. Professional liability protects you if a client says you didn't deliver or claims your work caused them financial loss. And equipment coverage keeps your gear safe from theft or damage. With Next Insurance, you can customize your policy to include exactly what you need. No extra fluff, no wasted money, and it's affordable too, with plans starting at about $17 a month, plus you can bundle coverages for extra savings. Here's what I love. As soon as you're covered, you can download your certificate of insurance instantly. That's critical because most venues, rental houses, and clients won't even let you step on set without proof of insurance. So instead of risking your business and your wallet, take 10 minutes today to protect yourself. Use the link in the description, get your instant insurance quote, and step into every shoot knowing you're covered.